Okay, so we are going to add to this cake some a lavender purple type border on the bottom, and I'm going to be using a 1M tip, which is what you would use for rosettes on the side of a cake. They wanted a large border. So I'm going to start here, and almost like a shell border, I'm just going to make those designs all the way across. And I'm going to cover up, I call this the tail of each one as I go around. I've messed up my ganache strip there, but we'll ignore that for now. All right. All right, so there is our base border. Now for the top border, I'm using the same tip, a 1M, but I'm gonna use pink. And I'm gonna use more of a swirl design, almost like you're doing rosettes on the top. So for that, I'm gonna start here. I'm kind of at an angle with my tip, spiral around and just keep going. Again, cover up the tail with the next spiral. Do a little bit more spiral. You have a nice, big, fluffy border, and then they have a topper that's going to go on top, and that's it. Done.